All right. Hi, guys. All right. I was asked to do this. Okay, gang. Um, this is this for doing the other two circuits. So, in terms of the assignment here, I don't think I opened it here. Let me open that here. This one here, wiring this logical expressions. I was asked to do this. So I'm going to wire all. I already did the first one. This first one here for you. I'm going to do this one and this one for you. And the third one here, this one here. Okay, I'm gonna do those two for you, so you can kind of just see, and then you can kind of follow along just to complete it. Okay. So the next one what I've got here is I've got my gates all set up. So I've got my power supply, I've got my two switches A and B. Okay, and then I've also got this. I forgot to put my my LED in, which I will here now. Okay, and I gotta get a resistor in here. Actually, I'll just do this, and then do this here and make that black. Oops, wrong color, black. There we go. Change this resistor to a come on. Why is it not opening up? Showing me the resistor. There we go. So we'll 220 ohm resistor, so we don't have the explosion. Okay, there we go. All right, so now I'm ready to go. All right, so I've got my, here's the 04. This is the inverter. Okay, so if we remember the power, and then here's the 08. Okay, that's the AND gates, and then this is the 32, which is the OR gates, okay? So remember, the pluses, let me go back and down here, I'm gonna bring this over, oops. Bring this down here, I'll bring that down there so we can see a little better. The pluses are my OR gates, so these are two AND gates, AND gates, AND gates. The inverter means it's gotta go through, or I'm sorry, the bar means it's gotta go through the inverter, right? So the first thing I've got is A bar, is it A bar, B bar? Yeah, A bar, B bar, okay? So I've gotta bring from here into my inverter, right? And I always like to go up and around. There's my inverter there. So let's go yellow. It's really slow today for some reason. Yellow. Then I'll come out of the inverter and I'll go into the first place of my AND gate. Okay. There we go. And I'll keep that yellow, even though it's inverter. I should use a different color. I'm just going to keep yellow to make sure I know that's gate A. Okay. So then my next one is B bar, right? So I'm going to go from B. I'm just going to go straight across this time. We'll make that orange. Or just leave it as green. So B bar comes out of there and goes into the second one of my AND gate. We'll keep that as green. Then now the output's going to come from here into my first input of my first OR gate. And that's A bar, B bar, right? Right there. That's going A bar, B bar into my OR gate there. Okay. And we'll change that. Let's just make all the outputs let's just do purple here. Okay. So now my next gate, my next one I've got to do now is it's A bar B. So here's A bar right here, right? So I'm just going to take this one here. Here's A bar right here, right? Actually, it's right here too. So I'm just going to go from here, come up into this area here, come into there, and just come right into there. And we'll just keep that as yellow because that's my bar because it's coming out of the bar here. This is actually A. This one's A bar, so this is also A bar since it's going into there. And then now I need just simple B, which is right here, right? This is B right here. So I'm just going to come around here, come up, and come around here, and we'll just do that as my B, which I'll leave as green, okay? I can't come out of this spot because this is B bar. I could come out of here. I guess I could have come out of there, but that's fine what I've done there, okay? So there's B. This one here, I'm sorry, I went the wrong place there, didn't I? My bad. That was my bad there. This has got to come into my second input of my AND gate, which is right here. And the output of this one is going to go into my second of my OR gate, right? Make that one, let's go brown. Okay, there's the second one of the OR gate. Okay, so now my so there's my input, and then the second one, so this is OR, right? And then this one gets OR'd into there. So we've got OR gate of this one, and that's this one here. And now the problem is it's not a 3-input OR gate, it's just a 2-input OR gate. So I've got to have my third one, which is going to be just connecting these two right here, right? I'm just going to connect those two together, and this is going to be the next input, and there's my output. This output then, of course, is going to come into my, okay, so I need to get my third one, which is, so the first one is here. First one is the purple, okay? First, this AND gate goes into this OR gate, input of the OR gate. That's one input. There's the second input, which is the brown one. Third one is going to be this one, AB right here. So A is right. A is right here, right? See, A is right here. So we'll just come out of here, And that's got to go into, oh, wait a second, that's got to go to the other side. See, these AND gates are all taken up on this side, so I've got to come over to this side here, which I'm going to look here. There's my input, and output. So I'm going to come from here to this part of the AND gate. We'll make that yellow. And now what's my second one is B, which is green, right? This is this one right here, green, which is going to go to right there. And this output is going to come into this one right here, right? Okay. And I'll make that one, I don't know, let's make that pink, I guess. I can do that pink. There we go. Okay. So I think we're all set here. Let's take a look and see if we got it working here. So we've got 0, 0, lights on, right? 0, 0. So 0, 1, turn that to 1. So O would be A bar, B would be this one off, still on. Next one would be 1, 0, which would be, should be off, right? And it is. Next one is 1, 1. And it should be on, but it's not. Why is it not on? Let's see what we've got here. This is our AND gate here. Give me a second to look and see. That's found my mistake here. See this one here? See this one? This is supposed to be A, right? This is supposed to be A, but look where it's going right here. That's why it's not good to keep the same colors. I should have gone with a different color here, because then I would have noticed that right away if I'd have gone, let's say, with I don't know, let's go with turquoise for the bar. So my bar is turquoise. So my bar is turquoise. And then that would tell me that this was a bar one. I don't want that going. That one's supposed to go to just, oops, just got to pull it over here. Whoops, why can't I grab that? Zoom in a little bit here. Highlight that one and then just grab that and drag it over. It's not working. So let me just delete it and redo it, okay? I'm going to delete this, put it from here to here. That's what I want. And I'll make that yellow. That's why it's better to even your bars, make that a different color too, to help. Color coding helps with everything. Okay, so now it should be on, and look, it is on. So it's a 0, 0, it's on. 0, 0, 1, it should be on. 1, 0, so that's 1, 0, it's off, and 1, 1, 1 is on. Okay, and there you go. That's this one. That's the second one, and I'll make the third one in another video.